Welcome back. If you just joined us, this is Breakfast Daily, and right now we're about to get into a conversation, and this conversation is about the This is Ghana exhibition. We've been talking about it for about a month or more, and the date is getting closer. So it's very important that, we keep the buzz up and for you to understand what you are going to, be expecting in case you want to come out there. And after everything we'll say, definitely, if you have no plans of coming, you will have to rethink and say, okay, I think I need to be here. Anyway, the This is Ghana exhibition is an exhibition or a platform that brings together businesses, SMEs, and innovations that are here in Ghana. And it's actually there for everyone to see what businesses, what services, and what products that Ghana has to offer. And in the studio with me is Apioko, who is the head of programs production right here in Channel 1 TV and City FM. And also we have Samuel Dako, head of GhanaPay Mobile Money, and Sadia Tete, who is the business development executive at GhanaPay Mobile Money. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you.
Good
morning, Chris.
Yeah,
You're doing well.
Happy. It's nice to see you again.
Good to be here.
Yeah, today we're talking about
This is Ghana.
This is Ghana.
Yes, the literacy challenge happened. It was successful. We have our winners,
Yeah.
but there's still business ahead. And today it's about This is Ghana.
Yes. So I know preparations are already going on. So at what stage are we right now?
Currently, we need people to complete their payments. So we have just about 200 registrations, if not more, registrations. Now, when you place that phone call to the magic number 0205-973-973, and you let us know who you are, what your company does, the service or the goods that you have to offer the Ghanaian populace and that you're hoping to export if you don't already do that. Then the next step is payment for your stall. And because we have just a little over a week to the fair, we really need people to complete that. Payment secures your spot. Okay? And then the other thing is we have 4 different seminars that are happening within the fair. And people, again, have signed up, but it's 200 cedis per seminar. So we need people to, again, secure their spots at the seminars. And we have them, on the screen up there, different things. If you're, especially an SME, managing your finances is something that you should be thinking about. A lot of us think, oh, I have my own business, so I'll spend all the money that comes. But you have people to pay. You have inputs that need to go into the business, whether you're manufacturing hard, tangible products or you're giving a service. And you need to put money back into the business. So managing your finances is important. A lot of, unfortunately, Ghanaian businesses struggle with that, and so they don't make it past the 5-year mark. Some don't even go beyond 2. And then how to identify opportunities and tap into them in the oil and gas market. The oil and gas market has become a big conversation globally, and there are lots of things happening because now in the era of sustainability, we're talking about reducing carbon footprint. So there are lots of interesting things happening in the industry. And whether you're working upstream or downstream, you don't necessarily need to be an oil marketing company or a bulk oil distributor to do something in the industry. So come and learn about that. And then digital sales. Everything is online, the Internet of Things. If you don't know how to do that, we have our sponsors here. They can give you some feedback on that. How do you tap into that? And then, of course, accounting, your products, exporting. How do you package your product for the export market?
True. Because some people have a lot of good products, but the packaging.
Exactly. And even your services. How do you position yourself so that you're an accountant, you're in Ghana, but somebody in Europe can tap into your services, there's so many things. So we need people to reach out and pay so you can secure your spot and benefit from all that goodness.
All right, so GhanaPay is joining us this year as sponsors, and we're actually very excited to have you on board. You're welcome. You're welcome. Okay. But obviously, I know like GhanaPay, it's a mobile money service or platform. But you can give us the in-depth, description of what your company is. So, Mr. Dako, what is GhanaPay?
Sure. Thank you very much. And once again, we're also excited. This is Ghana, and for us, it is something that all institutions must support. GhanaPay Mobile Money, basically, it's a mobile money platform, like you mentioned. But this time around, it is something that was brewed in Ghana here, and all the banks in Ghana. I mean, talking about universal banks, the commercial savings and rural banks, they are behind this particular mobile money compared to the existing mobile money that we know. And key for us, we want to drive what we call the financial inclusion agenda. And if you could actually, I mean, if you could tap the opening a bank account in Ghana here, you need a certain KYC, know your customer requirement to be able to do that. But for GhanaPay, we offer the simplest, the easiest KYC requirement that you could actually use in onboarding or coming to that particular platform. What you need is your Ghana card, your existing mobile number, and your bio details. Yeah. And again, we want to ensure that even those in the rural communities and the underserved areas are also benefiting the financial services that currently we have in Ghana. So in summary, GhanaPay Mobile Money is to create a more inclusive, cost-effective, and financial ecosystem in Ghana, allowing or enabling each one of us, those who are not banked, I mean the unbanked, to be able to be part of this good initiative, and therefore creating the financial inclusion system that we all talk about.
Right. So why do you think it was important for you to join this year's This is Ghana? Right.
So for us, because it's made in Ghana, and GhanaPay too is made in Ghana. So what we are saying is that everyone who wants to come there, August 31st or September 1st, must be able to pay through a Made in Ghana initiative. Whilst you are promoting a Made in Ghana product, you're also paying through a Made in Ghana initiative. And for us, joining or partnering with this initiative, we thought this is a good one.
Right. So Sadia, what are the benefits of using GhanaPay?
Right, thank you. GhanaPay Mobile Money is currently the most affordable mobile money service in Ghana. And what we try to do as a business is to make sure that every Ghanaian who wants access to financial services is able to afford it. And so on GhanaPay, you're able to send mobile money to all mobile money networks, and it's for free. You're able to transfer your money from your mobile money to any bank account for free. On GhanaPay as well, again, because of affordability, we want to make sure that whoever is using the platform has easy access to statements of accounts, every other financial statement that they need, and it's all for free. On GhanaPay as well, we have agents. So for our agents, if you need to cash out your funds or you need to deposit money onto your GhanaPay wallet, and you go to any of our agents, cashing out is 50% cheaper than the current market rate. So whatever you're paying currently, you pay 50% less. Yeah. Also, for merchants who want to be GhanaPay merchants, there's the opportunity for you to enroll and also receive all payments on the platform. Right. Once you receive your payments and your funds on GhanaPay Mobile Money, the user who is sending you the money doesn't pay. You, the merchants, don't also pay to move the money to other funding sources for your business to continue. So it's a very good platform that we want all Ghanaians to be part of.
Right. So Apioko, how important are such companies or innovations to This is Ghana?
Extremely important. If you're selling a good or you're offering a service, it's not for free. That's why you're selling it in the first place. It's not for free. And a lot of people have challenges in putting their goods and services out there because there are not enough payment channels, or the payment channels are not accessible to as many people as they should be. Right. And so GhanaPay is doing something extremely important where, and you heard him, you need the minimal amount of information to sign up onto the platform, even as a business. And that's the challenge. Don't forget, a lot of our businesses play in the small and medium scale space. So they don't necessarily have very big budgets, they don't have very big income, very big profit margins, and so some of them shy away from banking the business. So they'll go from fair to fair, or just be on social media, small money will come, and then, you know, they're not growing the way they need to. And then they never really get to grow the money of the business, the money side of the business, because they are not banked. So GhanaPay is a very important service, and I would like to encourage not just those at the fair, but anyone who is doing business and you are struggling with how to get your cash inflows coming to you safe, secure, and then also for the customer, so that that person on the other end also feels that, oh, my money is not going to get lost somewhere. It's coming through a very safe channel, and what I'm paying for, I will be able to get, and my money will get to who it needs to get to. Extremely important service. And then again, it's a Ghanaian solution. So it has taken into consideration the peculiar challenges that Ghanaians face as consumers, as business owners. It's extremely important, extremely important.
Right. So talking about, you know, a Ghanaian product, what opportunities will attendees actually have, especially when they come to interact with you, GhanaPay, as a Ghanaian product?
All right, thank you. So for every attendee at the fair, we want to give you the opportunity to enroll and become a GhanaPay user. We always say that it's very important to experience the service. Once you do, you would attest to the fact that GhanaPay is the fastest, is the most secure. And let me just mention that it's owned by all banks in Ghana. So when we talk about security, we put in place measures to ensure that your funds are safe and secure. So once you come to the fair, you could come along with your Ghana card, or if you have a copy on your mobile phone, we'll enroll you. Merchants as well who come to display their wares, just as Apioko mentioned. It's very important that as a merchant or as a small business, you have a very secure way of collections so that you don't deal with too much cash. So even at the fair, we want to encourage all merchants to come around with a copy of their business certificate. We'll take it on your phone if you have a picture, or if you don't, then we'll take your Ghana card and still enroll you as a merchant, and we'll start doing business with you.
Right. Any other thing you want to add, Mr. Darko?
I mean, for me, it's something that I would love that all consumers need to patronize this particular thing. I mean, once you patronize GhanaPay, you patronize Made in Ghana Good. And for us, because GhanaPay, all transactions on GhanaPay are free, I think for Ghanaians, we always want to look at something that is free, but then it's convenient and it's more accessible to everyone. So for me, I would invite each and everyone that day to come and then experience GhanaPay and also experience This is Ghana.
Okay. All right. So we look forward to that. Actually, I'll pass by your stand definitely, and you will take me through it. But if anybody's watching right now and actually want to contact you, how do they reach out to you?
All right. So viewers can reach us on our toll-free number. It's 0800 000 707. So it's easy to remember. Our short code is 707.
Right.
So the toll-free number ends with 707. 0800,000 707.
Right.
Our call center agents will gladly talk to you and explain the products.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Any final words?
Yes, of course. I just want to encourage people as we are inching closer to the fair. It's the 31st of August and the 1st of September. So it's a Saturday and it's a Sunday. You can't do Saturday, maybe you have weddings, you have funerals, it's fine. Sunday after church, you come. Or go for early service and then come. Or come and then go for your later mass or whatever it is. But it's important for us to patronize Made in Ghana goods and services. We have been struggling. We've seen what's happening with the city. It's depreciating. We've spoken over and over again about the fact that our economy is import heavy. Now that means that all the time, our balance, a little bit of economics there, our balance of payments, our imports are exceeding our exports. That's not good for us because it means that little money is staying in the country, and that's why we're experiencing the problems we're experiencing. Again, when we support Made in Ghana businesses, what we are doing is we are helping them to scale up, to expand, and then create room for employment. We have unemployment issues. That's one way of facing. It sounds like such a simple thing, but if we each make an effort to say, I am making sure that today I'm wearing Ghana, I'm eating Ghana, I'm just buying Ghana, I'm paying Ghana, then you know that we are one step closer. We have, over 30 million Ghanaians. If each of us makes a conscious effort that every single day, this is what I'm going to do, then it will be better for us. So people should come. And then also don't forget, again, small businesses, some of them are on the cusp of exportation, but they don't have the money. They don't have the money to advertise, to put themselves out there. They don't have big budgets to scale up. So people should also come and network. You never know. I keep saying that money is not the only currency. In fact, your biggest currency is your network. So if you network, somebody may be able to barter something with you, take your business to the next level. Maybe you are not exhibiting. Maybe you are not there yet. Come and learn something. Business students, come through. Come and see the practicals on the ground. We are not charging people to enter the fair. If you are interacting with the exhibitors and you have to buy something, then you'll have to pay. But we are not charging people to actually just come and experience the fair, apart from, of course, a seminar. So people should just come through and experience. And we want to thank our sponsors. And look, this year we have a tall list of them. So I'm going to read them out so that I don't miss anybody. We have, and in no particular order, but this is Ghana Fair and Exhibition 2024. Is proudly sponsored by MTN, Core Natural, the Ghana Gas, National Gas Company, GhanaPay Mobile Money, and they're here with us, Piva Beverages, the Ghana Exim Bank, the Petroleum Commission of Ghana, Global Shea Alliance. We have a lot of shea butter products, and the alliance is coming to us. Built, it's an financial inclusion company, and then RMX Ghana Limited. So many Ghanaian companies have also seen the importance of this. And for me, that's something that is very important to highlight. Companies are operating in Ghana. Ghanaian companies, yes, are the ones that are made and born here, but they're also those that operate here. And for them to see that it's important to give back to the space in this way, for me, we need to applaud them, and we're so grateful to our sponsors.
All right, thank you so much. Thank you so much to all the sponsors, and we hope to see you there on the 31st of August and the 1st of September. But anyway, we are going to be coming back with more sponsors, but thank you, Apioko, who's the head of programs production right here on Channel 1 TV and City FM, and also Samuel Dako, head of GhanaPay Mobile Money, and Sadia Tete, business development executive at GhanaPay Mobile Money. Now, let us check out our entertainment highlight of the day. And when we come back, we'll be discussing more on This is Ghana exhibition.
Hello and welcome to Entertainment Highlights on Breakfast Daily.